Hey guys, how's it going? Want to supercharge your Google Workspace? Let me show you how to integrate Gemini 2.0 for seamless productivity. So, first of all, go ahead to your Gemini website, okay? And navigate to the three bars at the top left, right? And you're gonna see the basically settings. And you're gonna see extensions. Basically, you're gonna see right here the Google Workspace being integrated. If you haven't already, you could just go ahead and turn it on, and you're gonna see the option right here to connect with multiple Google apps like Calendar, Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, Google Tasks, and much more. All right, and make sure that you log in with your account. Of course, as you can see right here, I've logged in with my Google account, right? And make sure that you toggle on the Google Flights, the Google Hotels, Google Maps, and YouTube, of course, and YouTube Music if you want music suggestions, right? And basically, after you toggle these ones on, you can enable or disable specific features depending on your needs. You can just disable the Google Flights if you don't need it. And that's it. With Gemini 2.0 and Google Workspace, your productivity toolkit, it just got a major upgrade. Start integrating today. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.